The creation of the International Criminal Court, a permanent court that prosecutes the worst human rights abuses, represents a landmark in the struggle against impunity for genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity.
I think we've moved from an age of impunity close to what I hope will be an age of accountability, where those who commit the worst crimes imaginable will be brought to justice.
The United Nations tribunals laid the groundwork for the court, which was established in 2002 and now has more than 100 member states. The court has indicted dozens of people, made arrests including senior government officials, and investigated alleged abuses on 3 continents. Based in The Hague, the International Criminal Court complements national systems because it only pursues cases that states cannot or will not prosecute.
We continue to support ICC's establishment as part of a larger objective of advancing an international system of justice. We see an international system of justice as consisting of 4 parts. National legal systems that are incorporating human rights law, regional mechanisms such as the Inter-American Commission and Court of Human Rights that are providing redress when national systems are unresponsive. The United Nations system, with its network of special rapporteurs and advisors, and its particularly the international criminal tribunals that were set up in Yugoslavia, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, and now most recently in Cambodia. And then finally, so sort of the cornerstone of this international justice system is the International Criminal Court that is a permanent mechanism for trying individuals of the worst crimes.
There are 4 cases currently before the ICC. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, where a long-standing war has claimed millions of lives, there has been 3 indictments and 3 arrests. In Uganda, the scene of a 21-year civil war, the court has indicted Joseph Kony and 4 other senior leaders of the chief rebel group, the Lord's Resistance Army. In Sudan, the chief prosecutor has requested that the court indict President Omar al-Bashir for crimes against humanity. Also indicted in Sudan, Ahmad Mohamed Haroun. And in the Central African Republic, the court arrested its first high-ranking official, Jean-Pierre Bemba. MacArthur was among the early supporters of the ICC and today funds civil society groups that work closely with the court, monitoring human rights abuses, gathering testimony from witnesses, and assisting victims of abuse for participation in trials.
The foundation has been involved with the International Criminal Court from the beginning. We funded a coalition of civil society groups to bring developing country counterparts to Rome for the drafting of the statute. We have funded that same coalition to provide outreach and technical assistance to the court, along with a host of human rights groups and others, to provide an outreach for the court. The real challenge now for it is one of enhanced state cooperation. It has no police, it has no army. There are still 6 suspects at large. To actually apprehend these people will take the cooperation of the state's parties.
To do justice, you need the commitment of the political elites and consensus among them that violence is not a legitimate or efficient way to gain political advantage. Political leaders have a responsibility to ensure that the law will be respected by all the actors, including themselves. They have responsibility to actively and consistently support and enforce court decisions.